Today I'm gonna show how to change the toolbar position in WordPress 5. If you are using Guttenberg editor, you can see by default the editor will play or will show the toolbar in above your block. But in any options, there is a clear view if you change this position of toolbar into this top. How to do that? You can just choose this menu item, okay, and then you can just click or check in the top toolbar. You can see there. Now if you're creating a block, this is clear. You will focus editor in your top of your Guttenberg editor. That's all how to change the toolbar position in Guttenberg editor. Bye bye.